Hi families, it's your principal, Miss Kleinsasser, and students, hello. I am just so excited to share this awesome book with you. When I was looking at the books on my shelf and thought to myself, what would our kids like to hear today? I bet you have lots of feelings, right? You're thinking all different things. Your hearts feel different. Some of you have butterflies. Some of you get little twists in your tummy. And so this book is for you. It's called In My Heart, and it's a book about feelings. So as I read this story to you, I want you to think about how you might be feeling right now. Maybe how did you feel when you heard that we weren't going to have school this week? So I want you to talk to someone who's at your house about your feelings. Here we go. In My Heart, a book about feelings. My heart is full of feelings, big feelings and small feelings, loud feelings and quiet feelings, quick feelings and slow feelings, and my heart is like a house with all these feelings living inside. Sometimes my heart feels like a big yellow star shining bright, and I smile from ear to ear and twirl around so fast I feel as if I could take off in the sky. That is when my heart is happy. Other times my heart feels strong. I stand up tall as if I can touch the clouds. New people and places don't frighten me. I can do it. Watch me go. This is when my heart is brave. When I get really angry, my heart feels as if it's gonna explode. Don't come near me. My heart is yelling hot and loud. This is when my heart is mad. But other times, my heart's cool. I bob along like a gentle balloon on a string. My heart feels lazy and slow, as quiet as snowfall. That is when my heart is calm. On harder days, mean words hurt my feelings, and my heart feels hurt too. It's fragile and delicate, but it can be healed with extra kisses. This is when my heart is broken. Sometimes we need those extra hugs and kisses from people that love and care for us, right? Some days my heart feels as heavy as an elephant. Oh, and there's a dark cloud over my head and tears fall like rain. That is when my heart is sad. But my heart doesn't stay sad. Like springtime after winter, the sun comes out again. My heart grows tall like a plant reaching toward the sky. That is when my heart is hopeful. Eek! When I see something scary, my heart beats really fast. I feel cold as if a chilly breeze has crawled up my neck. I run away as fast as I can. That is when my heart is afraid. When it's time for a bit of fun, my heart feels full of giggles and wiggles. Abracadabra, I hop around like a bouncy bunny. This is when my heart feels silly. Sometimes I hide my heart away where no one can see it, like my own small little treasure. I don't want anyone to look at me. Safe on my swing, I can watch the world from up above. This is when my heart is shy. My heart can feel so many feelings, and so can yours. Today my heart is proud. How does your heart feel? So I want you, as you read through this book and got to hear, look at all the beautiful hearts. It's just a gorgeous book. I want you to talk to someone at your house about how your heart is feeling. And I look forward to reading you more books.